Oh, okay. Waving. I gotcha. Stop.
Spring. It's windy spring, but yay. Boats and clouds. Is it recording now? Can you see?
Huh?
Is it recording now?
Yes, because it turns into a
I
pause.
just want to get this boat. Fabulous time. That water's important. It's just a little bit of sharpness in the shell gravel. And you know, you wouldn't want to fall into that part if you couldn't swim. You don't want to wade in it too far. Look at this. Oh man, it's just bananas. I sense that in the summer this just gets baked, so nobody seems to much mind the wet, and I think it's because they remember summer and how hot it gets. She's jolly muggy around here, mate.
They called that boat Trinity.
I think that must be Christians behind that app.
I think it's a fun little pun because it's a triangle.
Yeah, it's a joy thing. No. That is fun, isn't it? There. Oh, it's really wonderful around here. Resting bench. Do I look like I'm wearing sunnies?
Yeah.
I forgot I ordered these to go dark in the sun.
Wow, they go really dark.
I know, but they're so pale in the. Oh, look!
Look at go.
Oh, look! Oh, how wonderful! I didn't know they waited like that. And remember the quicksand warning.
They're fine. They can fly.
Yeah, the birds are the ones that their wings get them out of a jam, eh? That's why the Lord gave them wings. So what's this area called?
I don't know.
See, I look like I'm wearing sunnies.
I'll take a picture of me here too.
You know what? I haven't figured out how to get things from the Gia onto the computer. I haven't been able to
that's
put.
easy because it's got a little card. You can just pull out the card and plug in.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I want to do that today because I haven't got any of my films on YouTube, and I want to.
Otherwise.
Oh, this is so neat! Look at this. But I bet it is quicksandy. I bet you do have to be careful. If you do any shenanigans or stunts. Look at all the plants springing up trying to do stuff. Wow, wow. I didn't even know all this was here. Exploring is fun, eh? But look at that view. Oh no, I wouldn't want to lose that view either. Well, the people are fighting the council tooth and nail. Don't ruin our views.
Skips down into the mud.
What?
Steps down into the mud.
I don't know why there would be steps down to the mud, except there must be a tide that brings up the water.
Maybe people quite near out here.
Because those look like drowned trees to me.
If the water was up higher, I guess.
These are the kind of trees that can grow in the water, and they're underwater some of the time.
We've got some friendly graffiti. Hi, everyone.
Hi everyone. I guess I'll end my film on this. It's getting too long. I guess if this had been my first camera, I'd be totally addicted to Gia's because it's a little bigger than a Nano, but it just does the same kind of. How far are you going to wander? Cave creaky looking. Creaky, creaky.
Oh, there's a little boardwalk over here. Wow, it looks a lot of trouble. Like a little...
Do you trust it? Bit of a jumble. this out. In the middle of nowhere, someone can be bothered to make a little sculpture rose. Isn't it wonderful?
That's pretty.
There's an artist lives around here. Or it could be somebody who came on holiday and will never be back again.
Well, it keeps going and going. If you get a little bit further, that you can actually see the harbour bridge. But
where are we? I don't even know where we are.
I think we might be right at the end of the peninsula.
Okay. Well, I can sure smell nothing but the sea.
There's another picnic spot here. I don't know where those go. If you go down a bit further, you can see the harbour bridge. Up there, I don't know.
You can see it from here.
Can you?
Yes. Yes, totally. That's what this is about. That's what this little landing is about. People sitting here and I think that's why they built this place. Why did those silly kids have to jump up and down on the little landing they built to look out from Cave Creek, you know? Why did they have to do that? Tiggers.
Yeah.
Tiggers die sometimes. They're stunts. What are we looking down on there? Is it just an old tire? It's just an old tire. Flags, they notice. That sounds like a bird that used to be near us in our old neighborhood.
In Acton as well.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, in Acton too.
There's birds like that near
They're everywhere.
our house too.
They just pass on their call to each other. It just comes easy to them or something. Got your new camera. Wow, it's idyllic, isn't it?
So up there, it gets back towards like roads and things, back towards civilization. Down there, I didn't get to the end of it. There's just more.
But somebody could be bothered to plant a rose as you're walking by.
A little bit further, because we might get a pretty tree. Another one. We might get a good view of the bay.
I want to go back now. think that thing flowers every century? Major view of the city, hey?
Yeah.
But some people just like live here. So they just walk out there.
Yeah.
They have to walk all this
You can
way.
see all the Sky Tower and the Harbor Bridge, but actually when you photo.
Wow. This is cool fun, eh? People have planted these things. These are on purpose. Somebody's planted some things on purpose here. See, they're totally. Don't want to get lost, sweetie. I want to go back. Are you talking about a shortcut? Somebody's little Maggie style. Path of fire. It was on the ground.
What's that?
This was on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Made in Germany. I bet it's from a baby who's never coming back this way again. What? Huh? What? What is?
Let's go.
No, I'm going to put this back where I found it.
Oh, okay.
They may never come here again. Might be a tourist pacifier. And a tourist baby. Right?
It's a little hotel.
That's a little hotel. Dawn Haven. I don't want to go up steps and have to. Why do we have to go up steps?
I'm going to do a little loop around back to our car. Just please.
Shortcut.
You don't get lost if you just keep heading one direction, so we're going to just keep heading right.
Oh, this looks like a chore.
Well, we're quite far. It's either that or walk all the way back. But we've seen all that. Let's see something new.
No, I'm just being a baby.
Yeah.
Listen to those birds. It's a real concert. Oh, they've seen me. They don't want to do anything anymore.
It's just a street up here. That's sweetie.
Oh, it's actually better doing that. can't stop it? I don't know how to stop it.
Oh, okay. There's a stop button. There you go. Stop.